let's talk about the next lie, and that is that you can avoid risk when becoming successful or when improving at something and becoming an expert in a field. The truth is that you can't avoid risk. Risk is part of the process. To really achieve anything worthwhile, you have to be able to tolerate and enjoy taking risks. Enjoy those butterflies that you get in your stomach when you're doing something that you're not comfortable with. Maybe you're about to give a speech in front of 100 people. Does that feel good? No, it doesn't feel good. You get those butterflies in your stomach. You get sweaty palms. Your heart starts beating faster. When you notice those butterflies in your stomach, that's when you know you're stretching your boundaries. That's when you know you're doing something that others aren't willing to do. You're doing something that improves you, makes you better. And anybody that plays it safe, doesn't take any risks in their life, are going to be left behind by those that take those risks. Because as we've learned in our principles, it doesn't really matter how often you fail. What matters is that last success that you had. So start viewing risks as challenges to look forward to. And in all fields, in all careers, in all topics and skills, in order to make exceptional discoveries or leaps in skill, you need to have risk. And this topic of taking risks is something we'll come back to later on in the technique section of the course. But remember this, you can never play it safe. If you want to do anything worthwhile, if you want to improve a skill and learn efficiently, you will have to take risks. You will have to give up something to improve at another thing. But don't worry, you don't need to go bungee jumping or anything. Me personally, there's no way I'm ever going bungee jumping, but there's other risks that I can take. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.